slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I will never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't wanna be worse, I'ma never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. I'll always show up. I'm ready to put my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all.
I can gas, think I'm okay and that, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the
pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, from my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I never set for ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
That is less than D2. Now press enter key. Now good. Now click on this 23 and see. You will see your formula here.
Child, that is pointing at you. Look at your face. See your life.
Who wants the working stick?
Him.
You are fixing it for me. No, shit! Odogu and Ashadu.
Child.
You are fixing the stick for me. I'm teaching. I am really quiet, my friend. I'm teaching. You are fixing the working stick. I thought the working stick was even your own. Please focus. I know why I'm saying this, so. Well, you're supposed to know it by now. No. Now, listen, everybody. Instead of us to come here again, listen now. I'm teaching the short stop now. You are not the devil to be using you. Distraction. Why are you like this? Now, don't use God sign here. Instead of you to come and do what? And start typing another equal to formula. No. Once you type the first one, click here, drag it down to this place. Leave it. No, go up here. It's okay. It's okay.
Child.
So, you can see what I did here, right? Yeah? You see what I did here?
No.
You click and drag that formula. It will add up other ones. Do the same thing for average and other ones too. I'm doing it. I'm leaving. I had a flight.
When you say flight, 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 flight.
I'm not in Nigeria. I'm not in my country. I just celebrate like independence day.
If you get here.
Yes. Because I came here to learn.
I beg you shut up there. At least she takes a shower.
Now, hello. Do the formula for average. Do the formula
Oh
for
guys,
average.
this ACT class is almost almost gone like ACT class, and so I'll see you by back. Tell them, hey,